Hello faithful subscribers. Today I will be beginning my homeless journey and my friend will be continuing his. Shit is expensive and us young folks need to find a new way to survive in this cold, dark, cruel world. So today begins our journey. Just gonna look at you here, give me a little twirlerino. That's just a normal backpack, get me.
Oh yeah.
This is just what I carry to school every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And all week.
Okay. We got ball shoes. We got a couple of shirts. Some underwear, a few pairs of socks.
Yeah.
I think. And my work clothes and shoes and my bib. And then we got all the camera equipment. And a tripod, a bunch of batteries. And then my backpack. I got a laptop, a pillow.
Oh, you brought a pillow? Oh.
A sleeping bag.
Luxury.
A little, what are they called? Like the air pad? A sleeping pad. And my computer, so we have late night media. What you got on you?
Right now, in front I got 2 basketballs. That's good.
Yeah, basketballs are very important.
For all day entertainment. And I got a sleeping bag. Hey, dangling here, you can see. Really good. And, I got my work clothes. And I got sweatpants and like 2 or 3 pairs of underwear.
Nice.
2 or 3 pairs of socks.
Nice.
And that's it. That's all I got.
We're fucking set, buddy. We got ourselves a table. Jared and I just separated for the first time, leaving me alone with only my thoughts and nothing else. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. This is being going to class. We'll see what happens. It's 8:30 or 9 or something, and this is usually the time that I'd start heading home, but I am home. It's now 9:30. We've been here for 1 hour.
So we forgot to pack soap, but we're in luck because we found soap.
Soap.
Sick. We're set.
We are set. Ooh.
Thanks, buddy.
You're soapy now.
Yeah.
This feels so luxurious. Like we have all this stuff just to ourselves.
The shower is also so much bigger than the shower at your house.
I know, it's like a fucking step dog, a fresh pair of socks. No, never mind, it wasn't.
Oh, hey man.
Hi.
If there was herpes on the floor and any of these solved, I have it now.
It's a halfway point for broken-hearted souls. I know it's tough.
What?
We found this beautiful lecture hall. Very secure. This is where we will make home tonight. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to get back in. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Fucking awesome.
Can you get the lights? Thanks.
Don't you just love the beautiful view of the stars at nighttime and the sky above you? When I was sleeping at the construction site the other night, I had like the worst kind of I just fucking killed it.
Jared, what time is it? Shut up, you crazy person. showing up more than like 2 hours early for class.
So sweet.
That's crazy. But we made it through the first night. Mission accomplished. On a scale from 1 to 10, how scary was that cleaning lady in the lecture hall?
11.
Man, it was so frightening. I had mental images that I was gonna go to jail because she was in there for like an hour the first time, just on her phone, and we were just hiding there, and she had no idea we were there.
It made me really want to learn Spanish so I could eavesdrop on her phone conversation.
Yeah, I was afraid that we would like jump scare her and give her a heart
Yeah,
attack,
that was what I was afraid
and
of.
she was gonna die.
I didn't want her to come around the corner and then like yeah, I was mostly afraid of just like scaring her.
Yeah, that's sort of how I felt, but I thought like she'd come in and like call security, and then it would be this deal. And also I had like the flu at that point, so I was just like extra fucked. I was seeing things, I was hallucinating, and that brings us perfectly into the closing statements of this video, is that I got the flu and I was pretty bad, and and it was really bad. So I had to stop the homeless adventure because I'm weak and
Yeah, but now, instead of being homeless, we live here in this dope 3-bed assembly.
What up? MTV, this is my crib.